This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Page Pugh. Total renovation at 112 Tilley Ridge Rd. Cottage sits in the bend where the Toccoa River meets Lake Blue Ridge. It's approximately 30 feet from the water's edge. Ownership extends to the middle of the lake with USFS across the lake ensuring privacy. 2 large porches overlooking the lake for indoor/outdoor living. Brand new furnishings stay with the home. 2 bedrooms and 1 bunk room provide ample room for family and guests. The porches can easily provide for additional sleep space. Add a swinging bed and create a sleeping porch below. All new windows, doors, fireplace and chimney, tile bathrooms with seamless glass doors, cabinets with quartz countertops, white farm sink, black plumbing fixtures throughout, HVAC on each floor and stainless appliances. Additional parking has been added. For more information